from our Wolfman Rooster chapter in New Zealand. You gotta check this out. It's good.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some beef meatball ham cheeseburgers, and it's real good. And here we've just made up a simple beef meatball, some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, that is. A bit of fresh garlic as well. Yeah, and some Italian dried herbs for the extra flavor. Yeah, we'll pop them in the pan. Just grill them up a bit there, brown them up. Smells good. And while we're waiting there, we're gonna make up some good tomato sauce for these meatballs. Here we have some chopped onions and mushroom. Yeah, some more SPG, Italian herbs, beef bouillon cubes, a couple of cans of chopped tomatoes. Oh, it's good. Yeah, now after we've let those veggies and tomatoes cook down a little bit, render down, we're gonna add those meatballs. Whoa, can you smell that? It smells good. Oh, we'll be eating good tonight, Martha. Oh, we also slipped in a bit of tomato paste and a bit of, just to thicken it up as it renders down. Add some richness to that gravy. It's good.
Gonna mix some sauce. Grab my on the lay, baby. Show you who's boss.
And through the miracle of time, it's done. Take some fresh rolls there and build those sandwiches.
At the chicken coop, I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken coop. Got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna throw up some legs and get some barbecue action.
Yeah, we've got some good deli ham there. Palate high, because hey, these are meatball ham cheeseburgers. Oh yeah, add a slice of American style cheddar cheese there. Yeah, a bit more ham. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, some fresh sliced tomatoes. Can you smell that? It smells good. Oh, and what I've got here to top it off is some grated mozzarella mixed in with some grated Parmesan cheese. Now it's time to pop those lids on. Top off with a little bit more cheese mix. Now it's time to pop them back on the grill and toast them up good. And through the miracle of time, they're ready to go. Well, I don't think we need that. Thumbs up. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, you must check out BBQPitBoys.com.
Gonna smoke me a fatty brisket. Got my barbecue